Hello everyone, Michael back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a live clock in your Power App. If you enjoy Power Apps, SharePoint, Teams, Power Automate videos, feel free to subscribe because I'm putting on more videos in those areas. And now for my intro. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how to make a live clock for your Power App. This is something cool that you can add to like the top left or top right of your Power App just to show users what the current time is. And it's a pretty cool way of using a timer. So to start, you're going to have a Power App opened, and we're going to search for timer. So we have a timer right here. Just going to make it a little bit bigger and put it on the right side of my screen. So we have to edit a few of the properties for this timer. So the duration, it starts out at 60,000. We want to set this to 1,000 because we only want this timer to go for 1 second, because every second we're going to update the clock. So we set the timer duration to 1,000. We're going to set the auto start to true because we want this to continually run over and over. So along with the auto start, we need to go to the repeat property and then set that to true. So it's going to auto start and then repeat every second. And that's when we're going to update the on timer ends property. We're going to store the current time in a variable. So every second it goes off, it updates that variable with the current time. So we will just do set, and we'll call this var timer. And we're going to set that to now because now will give us the current time. So the current time for me is 6:59 p.m. 1:13. And so if I have everything correct, I'm going to set this text on here to be of our timer. So we got the variable. Well, I want to set it to a specific format for this time. So we're going to do text var timer. So there's a ton of different time formats that you can select from. I'm just going to do long date time 24. Right now it's not going to run, but if I click on the preview of the app, it's going to start running. So we have 1900, and that is 7 p.m. Let me make this easier for you. Let's just do long date time regular. So we have Monday, January 13th, 2025. And then we have 7:01. And with the timer property, it's repeating every second, updating that variable to the current time. So that's something pretty cool you can add to, the top of your app. You don't have to put it in the timer if you want to go ahead and add a text input over here. And let's say I'm just going to make this bigger. And in the text, I'm just going to do var timer because that is storing the current time. And I also need to do the text, whatever format you want. So I'll just copy the one that I did on the right hand side. I can put it in a label property and also have that timer running. So it's a pretty cool little feature you can have in your Power App to make it look a little bit more professional. I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe. Any questions with this process, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Try to get to that. And I will catch you guys in the next video.